On a quiet morning in Florida, a daycare center received an unexpected visitor. A 3-year-old girl who appeared alone at the front door, with no parent or guardian in sight. For nearly 30 minutes, no adult appeared. This incident would expose a troubling story of child neglect and systemic failures in child protection.
All the time.
Okay.
We
Do we know who?
call DCF so many times. They go to our daycare.
Oh, okay, so we know the parents and everything?
They just started going to our
Is that-
daycare.
She's
No.
she's not related? Okay.
Yeah, she's the little girls in here. They live right across the street.
Right across the street. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So do you have their name? Can I get their names and everything?
Yeah.
All right. 204, 201. I'm going to walk in the office.
I don't know if he... She's the one who's seen her. I don't know if you need her.
You seen her?
Yeah, I saw it.
Where was she walking from?
She would look like she was coming from the store.
Okay.
I just so happened to
From
be
that
standing
store?
outside talking to the CDA people about my credentials,
Okay.
and I just seen her run down the street. She came in the gate, came through the gate, opened up these gates by herself,
Yeah.
and came in.
Okay.
And since we've been out here, this has been going on, I said about 20 minutes. Nobody has come looking for her. So that
Nobody
means she was out here by herself.
Okay.
She's
Yeah.
not even 4 yet.
Okay. And we know who her parents are, right? They
Clearly,
said
this is a
they
normal...
said they come to her school.
Yeah, they just started coming here. Maybe this might be the 3rd week.
Okay.
But from what I'm hearing, just neighborhood talk, this is a normal occurrence that they see her 12 at midnight walking around in a t-shirt, in her underwear, no shoes.
Wow.
That DCF came just about a week or so ago, took her out the house with mom, but mom is the one that's been coming picking her up. So whoever they put her in the house with clearly has given her back to mom.
Okay.
And it doesn't seem like mom even knows she's missing.
Yeah. So we'll figure it out.
This is normal, so I'm like, okay, the system is failing, because why has nobody... You have kids getting taken out the house from their parents pinching them, but she's always walking around the neighborhood by herself.
Right.
And they're not doing anything. They haven't taken her from the parents.
Okay. All right. So cool. I'll see if I can find the DCF.
Because this is about because I know I have to call too since I saw it, so
Yeah.
they don't take my stuff.
Yeah.
This is not the first time she's come up here by herself.
Yeah.
And the parent doesn't even know. This is about the 3rd or the 4th time she has come.
Daycare staff reported the child had been there for nearly 30 minutes with no one looking for her. More concerning, they revealed this wasn't the first time. According to witnesses, the child is frequently seen wandering the neighborhood at all hours. This raises serious questions about parental supervision under Florida Statute Section 827.03.
Doesn't even know. This is about the 3rd or the 4th time she has come, just walked on campus and just like, hey.
Okay. Is she okay in the office for a second?
I'm sure.
Okay. Cool. I'm gonna talk with the officer here. We'll be right in.
Okay.
Thank you. Your number
She
before
doesn't go
anything.
here, right?
No, she does. She's been enrolled here this should be about the 3rd week.
Okay.
But this is even before she was enrolled. She has just come onto campus.
So
It's
I
been,
remember she used to do it all the time.
yeah, but she's not even, and nobody still has come looking for her. She's not 4 until next month. From what the other teacher said, she's still dressed from yesterday. I guess that's what she wore to school yesterday.
okay. Wow.
And like I was telling you, just from, asking around, that she's always wandering the neighborhood by herself all hours of the night. Supposedly, the older brother's touching them. And, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and talk with him. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah. So from what they were saying, that DCF has already been notified about this.
Well, from my understanding, DCF has already removed the kids not too long ago.
Yeah.
And apparently they're back. Or DCF may have removed them,
And somebody
put
gave
them in
back.
custody of the father, and the father may have just brought them back.
Right. Yeah.
Because the father was having to bring one of them to Maxey Elementary every day from Orlando.
Okay, this is the mother and the
Keith
information.
Harris.
Yep. 609. 609.
And that's the child, and DCF has been called within the last couple of weeks 2 to 3 times. People are always trying to take the girl back home. It's just a lot.
Okay.
And so one time they were saying DCF, the mom was telling me, well, DCF let my sister or someone keep her, but my sister told me I got to come get my baby, and so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
But they enrolled at our daycare because DCF gave the referral.
Gotcha.
Because I guess DCF, there was on some type of watch with DCF. But like now, I'm calling her this morning, like, where are the kids? Because, you know, we got a cutoff time.
Yeah.
She didn't answer, and then we see the baby walking by herself. So it's like, it's just like I told her, just bring the kids to the school every day.
Yeah.
Just bring them to school. But she said it's something about her lock.
This is Grandpa right here.
This is Grandpa?
She's here. Yeah.
You know his name?
Staff revealed critical information DCF, Florida's Child Protection Agency, had intervened just a week prior and removed the children. Yet somehow, the mother had regained custody. This raises questions about DCF's assessment process and whether proper standards were followed before returning custody. The child's grandfather arrived and explained he had taken another child to school, leaving the mother home with the sleeping toddler. He described safety locks on doors but admitted the child could open them. This statement inadvertently confirmed a pattern of neglect. The child could leave home unsupervised, and this had happened multiple times. At this point, officers made a critical decision. Under Florida law, they're mandated to report suspected child neglect to DCF. A 3-year-old wandering unsupervised clearly meets the legal threshold. Officers decided to open a new DCF case, demonstrating understanding of their mandatory reporting obligations.
Yeah, she came. We got a call that somebody with a walker was telling her, so I'm thinking it was the little short guy that placed dominoes.
Yeah.
I thought maybe that might have been him when the call came out, but then she wound up coming here.
What? So she going to school, and when I left, I took her brother to school over here to Maxwell, and her mother left her sleeping. When I come out the door, they got all kind of things on the knob so she can't get out. And I don't know how she get out. The house. Where she at then?
She's inside. So are you watching her, or is the mom watching her, or?
Mama let her. I took my grandson to school. When I come back, she left her sleep, and then I got out the house. I called around the house when I got back. I ain't seen the house, so I just want to take a walk. See how she around. But when she got out, she Judah hang around this lady house up here.
Yeah.
But I walked on down this way, and that was shit right here.
Okay.
That's why she want to go to school. She go to what is it, daycare or?
Yeah.
Yeah, she go to daycare right here.
All right, just give me one quick second.
Okay.
So yeah, 3-year-old. This is the grandfather here.
Yeah.
3-year-old is out running. Have you dealt with this before?
Yeah.
With
609 East Bay Cove,
Yeah.
Marquista, Harris.
Yeah. So you're all familiar with this then?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I guess she ran out again, and
It's back with her.
That's-
I don't know
so that's my thing. Did you report DCF?
So I haven't actually dealt with this specific issue, but I've dealt with that house a
Okay.
bajillion times, and I know of this issue. I've never actually been the one to respond, but like I've been told that this is an issue.
So apparently the kid, I guess, got out of the house. The dad said, or the grandpa said he left, and I guess the mom's in there sleeping, and the kid got out. And from what the note's saying, the kid was running up down here, then ended up coming into the school, and that's when they called us. So.
Just.
You have an ID on you by chance? You have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Dispatch 20196 Channel 2.
All I got ID.
Dispatch 20192. Can you copy 1 by 4 DL? Give me Charles. Okay, no worries.
Because you got the baby, right? You got the baby in there with you, right? Okay.
He said that all the kids were taken away and they were living in the Kuwait, and she somehow got them all back. And so I had her look into when that is, and if there's an open case, or if I need to open a DCF case.
201.
Oh, there might already be an open case. That's what I'm trying to figure out if there's.
10-4, thank you. You listen, Miss Other.
Good
It's been off and on, so that's what we're trying to figure out where to go. Hey. You've got the daughter, the little girl down there back there? Okay. So we're working with our community liaison. She's worked with DCF. She's been involved with this family off and on. She was there when the kids were originally taken away, and now we're trying to look and see if there's a current open case or if we can open a new DCF case involving all this, and just we're trying to figure out all the pieces because no same officer obviously has ever been out here every single time. So you know, I haven't been out here in a couple of weeks, and so I don't know what I'm missing out on. But for the time being, we're gonna call DCF, or we're gonna go back to the house because that's where the mom is, and we're gonna take the child back to the house and try and figure all that out, and then get DCF and our community people involved. And
so you need me to bring her
yeah,
to
if you could bring her to me.
I'm not sure if you need that. It's just.
Yes.
Why do they keep putting her back there? Because clearly she doesn't need to be there.
So I don't have a good answer for that, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I don't know. I know that when it comes to taking kids away, it's extremely difficult for the state to do that. There's a lot of steps that they want to
hello.
take because
Say hi.
it's most ideal if the kid can be at home, right? That's normally that's the desired outcome. And so, especially with them having
Was
been taken away previously,
was she here yesterday?
I don't know.
Was she wearing the same
You have to
clothing?
prove a lot if you have them taken
She
away.
is she in pull-ups or
because of
anything,
that.
or is she pull-ups, or does she wear underwear?
I think you wear underwear.
Underwear. Okay.
Her teacher said it was the same clothes. I didn't see her yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, so
How you doing?
we should have all that documented. I
I'm
just don't know off
fine.
the top of my head. Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. There's.
Give me 1 second. They're going to get her now. Here you go. Got a little teddy bear for you.
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I don't know exactly when they took all the kids out of that home and when she regained custody of them. And I don't know how she regained custody, because usually if you've got them taken away, like there's a lot of steps you got to get through to prove that like you can.
Whoever they're giving them to, if it's the auntie just taking them back. Like, I ain't got time.
Sure. But I spoke to our community person, and she said that mom got custody approved back. Like it was approved for her to have custody again of the kids. So I'm not sure exactly what all occurred with all these cases, but I'll get you a business card before we take off with our case number, and then either there's a current DCF case, I'm going to talk to the officer, or I'm going to open a new one, and we're going to keep working through this and figure out a better solution. No, you don't have to do anything. I'll get you that case number here in a second, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah. So, what's the down low?
I don't know yet. Ebony's going to call me back. She's looking into the case. She's going to come out to the house, but she's looking into the case.
She's coming out now?
You open the door. Quit doing that. You're not supposed to do that.
She know how to open it. I just told her to do it. She just did it.
Yeah, she know how to open the little thing on the little tap on the knob.
They broke. She broke both of them. I told you.
We need this control in the most sense, mostly because of
Oh,
her.
her dad was just over there. He said he wasn't coming over here looking at y'all. I told her. I've been telling him to help.
Dad ain't getting the kids no matter what. And he has no background anyway, so he can't take the kids.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, so it's going to be your sister.
No. Not all of them. My friends. It's DJ and her. Look, come here.
But they all got to go.
How many got in there, girl?
There's so many in your ear.
Where those all coming from? Whoa, how you got it stuck in there?
Nice day, just a breeze here.
Need a poop go with y'all too? Need a poop go with y'all too?
You ready to go back to daycare? Yeah, you ready? That's where we gonna go. Oh, thank you. What's that?
Thursday, Friday, when my daughter had a party, and then
Oh, you gotta let me mix it up
I
again.
just got back yesterday.
All right, you gonna be here when I come?
Nope.
No. I'll be to the office.
Okay.
Say abracadabra.
I'll be up there.
Oh, they don't wear shoes?
Because they said
They're gone. Is it in your ear?
Need a poop come over with mom.
It's in this ear over here. Oh wait, no, I see it. There it is.
Need a poop.
Let's go to daycare, all right?
Alright, see, look, you don't need no jacket.
Don't say stay with me.
Oh, well.
Oh, she don't need no jacket? You do.
Hey, go get your jacket.
Where's your jacket at? Where's your jacket at?
Oh, no.
You don't know?
I'm ready to tell kids to go get some clothes.
Yeah, she need on a jacket.
Bless you.
Massive.
Smash it? Smash it. Oh. You gotta need two of them. I need a second one to smash it. In your ear? But it's right here. How's it in your ear?
They waiting on you.
Go get your jacket, girlie. We can't play anymore. We gotta go get jacket, all right?
Come on, Nene. Come on. You gonna take care.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, see you later, big head. No, you going this way.
We gotta go that way, girlie.
I thought you want to go to school.
You want to go?
You want to go
VIP with the officers.
From when I
Yeah, it's too much fun with the.
told her that he was smoking and stuff and they violated him. So he had called the officer.
My ear.
You dropped it. Let's go to daycare.
All right, back there. I'll see you later, okay? All right, take care.
Good to meet you.
All right. Well, you gotta see me around. I'll be speed up down the street every day.
At the home, officers found the mother sleeping, unaware her child was missing. The girl still wore clothes from the previous day, indicating lack of basic care. The mother admitted the child knew how to unlock doors, and this was an ongoing issue. Under Florida law, failing to secure a child when aware of specific risks can constitute willful or culpable negligence. While officers addressed the immediate issue by returning the child to daycare, larger questions remained. How was a child already removed by DCF returned to a mother who couldn't provide safe supervision? Following this incident, DCF removed custody from the mother for all children in the home. Investigation revealed the children should never have been returned in the first place, a mistake that should never have occurred. Officers receive a B+ for professional handling, maintaining composure, and following mandatory reporting requirements correctly. The mother receives an F for complete failure to provide basic supervision, allowing her 3-year-old to wander repeatedly without knowledge. DCF Florida receives a D for systemic failure in returning children to the mother without properly assessing her ability to provide safe care. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, 48H Solves Cases, for more police interaction and courtroom content.